Welcome to the Ford 5150 channel. I'm Rick Rogers, and today we'll be installing the trunk lock, which was missing when we picked up our 1969 Ford Fairlane 500. We picked up this standard Ford trunk lock kit for around $10. As you can see, there's not much assembly required. Now all there is left to do is to clip it into place. And we are good to go. That's a wrap. Spike us a like if you found the video helpful, and be sure to subscribe. More videos coming soon. See ya.